Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My voice is not okay. I yeah, no, my cough is terrible. But I gotta pull out. I gotta make this video. Yeah. So if I look weird, I'm sick still, but I won't make the video. And I need to be consistent again before at least the end of the year. So yes, I'm here back again. Hope is having a happy, healthy, safe day today. Having a good day. And, yeah, sorry if my voice is very bad. I just, like, everything's bad. Like, I mean, I don't feel as sick anymore, but my cough is horrible. And, yeah, it's, it's not bad. It triggers. So, it's not bad. It's not. It's not. Yeah, I don't know. Uh, I shouldn't be making it fail. I have no idea what's happening. Absolute nonsense. I'm just recording to show you how bad my cough is. That's really it. But oh my gosh. Well, hopefully he's having a good day. I had a great weekend. I went out and did stuff and try not to say as many words. Yeah. I was supposed to make many videos this break, but I can't do as many anymore because I'm sick. So, which really sucks because I feel like everything's stopping me from making videos. I have like over 10 to make. When my voice get worse, I don't know. I don't care anymore. Oh, now it's better. Um, yeah, I'm gonna end it now. This is just weird at this point. Yeah, hopefully I can get better by tomorrow, guys. But yeah, so really, hope there's a really happy, healthy, and safe day. And make sure you guys continue to do good, what is right always, and hope you're enjoying the rest of 2024. And yeah, I can't believe 2024 is ending soon. Alright, see ya.